Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. In this video, you are going to start talking about NumPy array and how to create NumPy array. Let's start now. What is a NumPy array? A NumPy array is a data structure that stores a collection of elements of the same types. These elements can be arranged in one or more dimensions and can be of any type that Python support, such as integer, float, string, or complex number. NumPy array are essential for many scientific computing and data science tasks such as image processing, machine learning, and data analysis. If you are working with data in Python, there are good chance you will using NumPy array at some points. Why use NumPy array? NumPy array are much faster and more efficient than Python list for working with large datasets. This is because NumPy array are stored in continuous block of memory, which allow for faster access and manipulate of the data. Creating a NumPy array. There are a few different ways to create a NumPy array. The simple way is to use the numpy.array function. This function takes a sequence of elements as input and return a numpy array containing those elements. For example, to create a numpy array containing the number 1, 2, 3, and you will do the following. First, import the library, import numpy as np, and array is variable, and np.array, and create the array. Type of numpy array. First is a zero-dimensional array. A zero-dimensional numpy array is also known as a scalar. It is a numpy that contains a single element. The following code create a zero-dimensional numpy array and containing the number of 10. Let's create the numpy array. Zero-dimensional numpy array. Zero import numpy as np array equal to np dot array and print array is a zero-dimensional numpy array. Comment or insert the above and mark done. Okay, zero dimension array. Okay, and go to the next one-dimensional array. Second is a one-dimensional array. A one-dimensional array is a vector. It is a numpy array that contains a sequence of elements arranged in a single row or column. For example, create the one-dimensional array. Import pandas numpy as np array 1 np dot array 1 2 3 4 5 and print the array 1. This is a one-dimensional array, and another one is the two-dimensional array. Third is a two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array is a matrix. It is a NumPy array that contains a sequence of element arranged in row and columns. And let's create the two-dimensional array. And two-dimensional array. Array2 equal to np dot array two-dimensional, so two brackets. Okay, one is a 1 2 3, suppose any type, and 4. Okay, and print the array 2. It is a two-dimensional array. And next another is a multi-dimensional array. NumPy array can also be more than two-dimensional. A three-dimensional NumPy array is also known as a tensor. NumPy array can have a many dimensions are needed. For example, suppose create the NumPy multi-dimensional array. Okay, go to the Jupyter notebook. Once have import the NumPy, do not need to the import many times of NumPy. Multi-dimensional array and print the array. This is a multi-dimensional array, and this is a multi-dimensional array 1 2 3. And how to check how many number of dimension in the array? Let's check number of dimension. Check number of dimension. NumPy array provide the n-dimensional attribute that return a integer that tell how many dimension of the array have. Let's suppose this example. Let's suppose check the number of dimensions. And n-dimensional is attribute that is check to the how many number of dimension of the given array. Let's run. First is a zero dimensional, and second is a one dimensional. Yes, absolutely right. And third is a two dimensional. Yes, and three is a, and fourth is a d equal to np dot array 1 2 3, three dimensional. Okay. In this video, you have introduced NumPy array and saw how to create NumPy array. And next video, we will learn more about how to use NumPy array to perform various tasks. Thank you for watching this video.